In this video, we will show you how to install Jupyter Notebook in Windows 11. If you want to get started with Jupyter, use the link in the description. Download Python from the official website and run the installer. During installation, check the box that says Add Python to Path. This step ensures you can run Python and pip commands from the command line. Search for command prompt in the Start menu and open it. You will use this tool to install Jupyter Notebook. Verify if PIP is already installed by typing PIP version. If not, install it with Python. Ensure PIP upgrade. PIP is essential for installing Jupyter Notebook. Type PIP install notebook and press enter. Wait for the installation to complete. Type Jupyter Notebook in the command prompt and press enter. A new tab will open in your default web browser with a Jupyter Notebook interface. So that is how to install Jupyter Notebook in Windows 11. Use the links in the description to get started with Jupyter. If the video was helpful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.